Coutinho super so launching the carrier of Bayern Munich. Ivan Perisic, it's not a player who possesses more fear factor. Even Bayern Munich, what do you compare Barcelona? No, a big giant. Oh, Spurs group mu last season. Barcelona holding last season. What about Tonto Bayern Munich holding last season? At the 4-day kakra, comparatively manageable for team I friend Spurs. What about for Olympiacos? No roster Belgrade. Me not so bet me a compare to Inter Milan last season. Holding an Inter there, headed by UEFA Champions League. The name Inter Milan and the strength of Inter Milan, and to some extent PSV. And the also Spurs group no moon yet that clear cut or the to Manchester City the anywhere. But okay, show me last season the no them our motive bomb more than qualify from the group. It me to us could do final now. This one is highly manageable because me come on say Bayern Munich team who said this season I'm betting up tormented Borussia Dortmund the Pondos Gamun said Dortmund bet. So with coach Nico Kovac and his boys, he only said, among the big guys in the Spurs group, it should be manageable for us Spurs. So I share Liverpool group, Napoli, Ghent, Red Bull Salzburg. Last season, that's how we share Liverpool. Don't PSG, I'm in Napoli and group. Liverpool also qualified on the last day of the group stage game. Yes, a March day 6th, and a Liverpool qualifies. Away matches are Liverpool boy, you know who brought Liverpool in their away games. Because the home of PSG, the home of Napoli, and even the home of Roster Belgrade was very tough for team my friend Liverpool. But this season, Red Bull Salzburg, again, and then Napoli. Then one who can cry Napoli because of coach friend Carlo Ancelotti. And the same year, the players are more than one share than lose over this season in the Napoli setup. And to the best, Liverpool around for their money will be Napoli. But last season, they had a third force in the shape of PSG and also battle it out with Liverpool and Napoli. Because now we share a PSG team now. And when the mark Cavani, Mbappe, even Neymar, who come match no more fight Gigi Buffon about some first Champions League experience no, and mess up goalkeeping department. Now how we defense, Thiago Silva, Marquinhos, Kimpembe. No, we didn't PSG. They had world-class players. They had game changers in the PSG team. But since we in Napoli through if ever saw a constant figure between Liverpool last group no and this season now. More deal baby on betting stretch Liverpool. And even Chelsea. Chelsea bebo Ajax, Valencia, Lille. Okay. Ajax your stubborn side. But me want to say Valencia and Lille is some trouble for Lampard baby. Because it could have been worse than this. Lampard I will take over Chelsea. There's the issue of transfer ban. I'm meant to be strength on my team need. I'm going to lose Hazard. I'm going to lose David Luiz. He's a new coach. I feel no take over top flight team. And as a team it was so because last season no championship with Derby County. But in the midst of all these troubles for Chelsea, no, teams are mentioned UEFA Champions League group no so and you're more who be brave because this season we have Valencia, they have 1 point out of possible 6 points in the Spanish La Liga. Between Lille and Ajax came because of last season in the UEFA Champions League. But even with that, I'm going to lose Frankie de Jong, I'm going to lose De Ligt. It should be manageable for Team FA Chelsea. And even from where I sit, Man City, that the lack of getting manageable teams, as I to us in the UEFA Champions League. But pick EP or teams one by one. It looks like almost the other three and your groups are highly manageable as compared to last season the face. The amount for count here, the Barcelona, Borussia Dortmund, Inter Milan, Slavan Prague group. Okay, now no shakaka. Because Maka Dortmund, Lucien Favre team our builder was German. Now attack can and he has quite in depth in terms of bench. Because last season Dortmund from Penny for who said Adia ba kwentimi ampo omo a omo take Bayern Munich on and so still Bayern Munich ebe san omo je the Bundesliga na the element of experience and the fact that no depending so much on their captain Marco Reus. Until this season Dortmund from Penny for decided say then let's find options and other pillars in case Marco Russo pra, and which you all know say the track record of that guy, no, or injury issues kakra. It's all building with team so much on him. Now only options. Only super players I bet me add value to your team. The moment you be prano, most of the team no, and found it Mirika no moko, it's turning in Abidum. They don't want anything for Torgan Hazard. They want for Julian Brandt. These are young players. Even some Marco Russo pra. The attack of Borussia Dortmund will not be spineless. Because Hazard in Yakis one. What Germany are black tormented class war. And Julian Brandt is one of the highly rated youngsters for Germany. Coming the new players take over the German national team now. Brandt and account. And they maintain Paco Akasa and Jordan Sancho. English boy. And this is Russia boy. The guy in the jersey number 7 for Borussia Dortmund, Jordan Sancho. Yeah. Also, looking fortunately for him. And now so say Germany, England media na hype on corner so sir. They better do with Trimamu so. And the efficiency of the German football, no, you cannot afford to fail and you cannot afford to be complacent. But also go England Casabre didn't Trimu to talk as I can see. Was started this but Germany they always call for efficiency.
Okay.
And Dortmund team is very stubborn and can Antonio Conte so kakra ah the other kind of team no because I will share the 3-back system or build there. If Thiago Gordon is fit, no na Milan Skriniar. Now when Stefan de Vrij mo now Brosini Musu Kekahua a solid back with Handanovic in post. Kweda Samoa be the usual left wing back position, you know. Now Antonio can deliver so has it.
Okay.
And I say he's trying to give confidence to Lukaku. I don't never say anymore. And Wakofa Alexis Sanchez Abba. Can we all believe say player? Onya who's a coach penasema and the ball bonnie to Mrs. So you want to bring back the Alexis Sanchez, you know. Can that group will be tough. And I think say it's only time. It's only time how that separation will go on.
Okay.
Or that Barcelona, Borussia Dortmund, Inter Milan.
And
Yeah.
Maswa.
Yes, sir. Ken, UEFA group, you know, you got 32 teams, sir. Have more than next UEFA Champions League.
Teams in the crowd, yeah, teams that work Africa for Champions.
Sad, would you see? I know, sad now, who bent is a
proud for it.
Omni Bopa, almost on crew, on a guy. Kens I Czech Republic, there, born at least on we are there, Kakra. But any our candidates, and they say, leagues and also determine how far you go. What I say. A bedding say, Czech League. A Vabeji, the Champions League currently, can a bedding. Aya na era Spain, era England. Maybe a Kura Germany, na be ra. Your friend is saying Italy kakra. France for crowd yes on bad Bobby, be on being a final be no. See, yes, I agree. Say league in Ankasana more bon. And so determine maybe a trophy in echo. It will hear recent times. I said Spain for na England for na be break Italy for na confirm kakra, but Juventus which me am on the finals be. Within 3-4 years, no, I go to no real rem. But mean, oh no, Oshia team on also very tough. Into Osha, of course, AS Roma. A bit maybe Barcelona if no more PSMA final be. Into League na, yeah, born on sono, and so determined. And it's now my PSG and go for a drama pan. Because Monaco team will crowd to me forces or co-final, semi-final. Then clearly, we hear PSG with the stars and resources or more working. And so much to me, a push it up. Yes, and Miriam heard the group of death. Ken, what we need to understand is that you can't group of death. It can be 3 or 4 in a tournament. Group of death, and you necessarily say a 1 no. Ube to make a 1 tournament, ube to make a 1, 2, 3, or 4 group of death. It is done. The NTN say you can't group of death any day. And yet teams are can say or what not say will necessarily. But group of death, a team are can. At least 3 teams will be capable of making it to the next stage of the competition. Inte say yeah, but maybe a group will be teams in any ding cry. But among the wish group net that on teams now, utum at least a 3 will be capable of making it to the next stage of the competition. Utumin kasa 3 no bako and making. But among ubenya group be what teams are can say. But on the day, no, we had a tournament history. Be out to say Mutu there. Said BB and Siaken, they will qualify. That group aim to be a group of them. So, for example, say over Group A, between Paris and Germany, Real Madrid, a foregone conclusion on paper. but emom de etene says ye kobo ball na nneoma to mesesa but nneoma nsesa na ye Nyankopon we can predict the future on paper na sa netie bibia nsesa PSG ni Real Madrid will move to the next stage of the competition ahead of your Club Brugge and your Galatasaray ebi a team obetumi abeha adwen kakra e Gala on the crown e bedding say Gala travel ba we are e bedding kinu we know about B of course Bayern Munich ni Tottenham Hotspur clearly they should make it. They should clearly make it at the expense of Olympiacos and the Red Star Belgrade. But I had a Red Star and saying, more hard. Red Star, your team are sorry, pa. And I'm very happy there is a Ghanaian boy being a striker because Ghana has a problem. Your strikers in it. Isn't a striker be a baha no share 9 goals the whole season crying and go on. Because your striking department in it. Clearly, it's true. Until I dare say your coaches no any money. So when me on money Ghana striking department behind it is our boy and see a year make a Richmond Boachi Yado because you see an intense so being a Ghanaian striker or both Champions League na king or yeah and this is something they need to take it serious because king would have when you shame even Jordan Ayew crowd can clearly ocean qualities or a winger but just that he's been converted and or yet your bay into your coach because say countries more a lot of strikers that are possibility of winning tournaments I am a great. And it's now who said Jan Big Jina so for so many years Obian to me to you have a problem and we need to and Africa cross strikers currently to me no be able to say Obama or be consistent with Europe better than next 5 years, 6 years, 7 years and tansy. It's a problem of mine. It's a Red Star Belgrade Olympiacos at the expense of buying this first. Buying this first and qualify a massive disaster. Now over the group C, Man City, yes, are clear to go. Atalanta ain't said I need team we are so much known when it comes to the champ, but last year they had a great season and they went through. Shakhtar Donetsk, of course, any Dinamo Zagreb, but I think that Shakhtar Donetsk with experience can go through. Juve Atletico at the expense of Leverkusen Lokomotiv Moscow there. Juve Atletico and qualifier a massive disgrace. Now I know about Liverpool, the defending champions, yes, and then Napoli straight away Salzburg and Genk there. These two teams would have to manage and qualify. Now, but the group of them now acquire F, G, any H, Now, I the into omo to so. Omo na ye maybe group of them because some years to a group of them where 3 teams at least can make it there one. Over Barcelona, Dortmund, Inter, and Slavia Praga. Say Slavia Prague. The other 3 teams, you can't stick your neck out and say, Baku and qualify. I just say. Ya bobo because on a good day Barcelona by Dortmund and Inter can it be because Barcelona with the experience they will qualify but between Dortmund and Inter one of the best taking neck out as a winner echo Edding
but so are the 2 teams in this season
I've watched the 2 teams this season also with a history now more
there's an Inter Milan team again lecture and they said Antonio Conte is on the ball I'm meeting about Champions League just one team in quarter final
semi
but
on behalf of group yes and I say Inter group be on a good day at least on your team on behalf for them to come through
that one start of playing now City
yes
but I say results no more people
over years there are Dortmund too many teams are saying now press so into a move Ali you give them that respect into any group of them one the other group of them they're the most dangerous group Zenit St. Petersburg, Benfica, Lyon, and RB Leipzig. Okay, it's our group we. Me who team will qualify seriously. Zenit, Benfica, Lyon, and Leipzig.
We have to say Europa League.
Yeah, a group now I say Europa League team.
Then am I Champions League?
Yeah, they are money Champions League. Oh, says Zenit here Champions or Russia. They were seeded.
And yeah, no, Bobo Dino.
Oh. Says Zenit,
Benfica,
Lyon, and RB Leipzig.
Champions League.
Again, don't forget, say, on my fighting on my way through, no more drew how. In the group, both team need the IS. But because the team saying yeah, top starters in Europe, it's true. But I walk a group of them. And I'm sure the meaning of a group of them is where 3 teams at least can make it. No, Emfa. And at the last but not the least group, Chelsea, Ajax, Valencia, and Lille. Per ball na Chelsea ball currently say oh Chelsea and because Chelsea but Ajax and so the omo year in the last season but on be hard no about Valencia omo do omo ha adwen dada me share group now these 3 groups very 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 interesting to watch na yeah with those 13 matches near the bond and that was Enzo Basso young congratulate Van Dijk for winning it was a makase e kwan ye fa so obi adegye ne de e kwan ne ye fa so adegye ba se me match or king se me wo ho kwan anka Van Dijk mekwa akwache no se me wo ho kwan but waje into bibia no obi abetuma the only also Ronaldo can say he doesn't even know whether so ni Messi no mbeji bi emu dia he said it and it's a big news
I don't know obi say
oh king let's speak here football no dey kwa chiro na Van Dijk here the best player say boy here boy we are say the boy na say next year Lukaku the best
Champions League assembly can to the Ballon d'Or
next year so Inter say Inter so dia straight away Lukaku na well the best
Andy
yeah well
what am I saying
okay and saying now be again well the road to Atatürk Stadium next starting and the UEFA Champions League you check it the last time you bought finals no Wanda Metropolitano the group of death in your final the winner ni free a group of Napoli a group of Red Star Belgrade and then Liverpool and the group of death last season
and a PSG
so that group ni winner of the Champions League free or Wanda Metropolitano
last year group of death
last year sure. So this season Barcelona golemo amo the line and message abetu just say almost share from the CO Turin okay Turin el Paulo Dybala de no ne ADC ewo Olympic Stadium in Rome Costas Melonas header no and the last time ewo Anfield 4 goals and Origi Jorginho Wijnaldum and the two the moment say Barcelona for so almost share be free and yema miensa asisi atoto aso nyina after almost the Champions League in Berlin inti ombo beyen san kakra and case already approach o share the kind of players o share players are go into the market info clearly almost share how to fix the holes in the teams out there but so share that group kinocha last season group na Barcelona so them it was a similar group to say the Omakwakotomi ya a group of Inter Milan Tottenham Hotspur and Ken in that particular group now who say at least Ubenya team keto aba akwa ka ho there but clearly it was a team now Barcelona a outright favorite but 2 teams are now omo ka ho no se one nya onyema yi aken bibia betimi asi okay Napoli ni PSG game no first one e ba so Parc des Princes no na mba mu aye jeje ama PSG until so omo betimi abese sanema against Liverpool and omo san ba back omo mo de bon be so aniti Barcelona preparing so well and making sure say omo making amends from Demba Kalaba in the last 3 seasons Ken you be sure how Lionel Messi leading the lines Antoine Griezmann back Frankie de Jong back Ken omo nyina ba be chim how Barcelona will line up and how omo see taking this particular championship say the BCI so she team me say Inter Milan Ken na wo kan say Inter ball na wo hwe ye no omo betimi akokakra ade ba ko e wo say establishing the coach Fernando Antonio Conte no when it come to the UEFA Champions League Ken ne mo de ball wo fem pa so what check it in 2013-2014 now coach team are FN Juventus Ken no more group with Real Madrid Galatasaray and then Copenhagen in that group coach FN Antonio Conte team for Juventus and qualify and quite the next stage of the competition but so what you with him now it was a team of Pogba Carlos Tevez Alvaro Morata Arturo Vidal Claudio Marchisio Leonardo Bonucci Giorgio Chiellini it became Gigi Buffon it is all this particular place now a group of Copenhagen Galatasaray and Real Madrid woman at least you are expected saying Kaubeti are qualified to the next stage of the competition but Ken Antonio Conte film your group stage and that team the following season coach your friend Massimiliano Allegri before that team and played in the finals at Berlin it took the Barcelona team of Neymar Messi Suarez in the final oba Chelsea no obi ehun say osan be ball Champions League ni bio round of 16 odu ya okolusu ye e o new committee Ken Inter may have a very decent squad so omo team na on paper they have a very good team ohe players omo try say because Ken unya Lautaro Martinez Romelu Lukaku and even Alexis Sanchez in a 3-4-3 setup check their midfield Boja Belero Matias Viceno Ken omo players at least So woka sa wo hye omu ye nyantobo ase a ubenya the best out of them to be at least in the quarters or the round of 16 I'll bet me a progress akoni and obianim say tactically Conte is one of the coaches that you can rely on but he's a coach and he's not cut for the Champions League nti eno a kire say until so betimi asesem no onyo obi a betimi do ho ato ne so bebebe no matter the kind of team I'll betimi assemble and it is Inter Milan after Jose Ken yenhu bibia from Inter Milan bio the last time no mo Tottenham Hotspur PSV and Barcelona in the Champions League Ken Omentimi and San qualify to the next stage. Until let's see how Antonio Conte will fix the holes in there and how obviously are re-establishing the Inter Milan team to the European campaign. But for now, any Niema Conte idea, what you say you cannot rely on him so much when it comes to the Champions League. Borussia Dortmund. You know, almost started on a decent note last season. Lucien Favre. No, almost a group with Air Club Brugge, AS Monaco, Atletico Madrid. Cell group na no mum and you hear game on boy Atletico Madrid da omo emphatic 4-0 nti no bia ni say Lucien Favre niema all year the German Bundesliga no so the room mo Europe nothing to the Real Madrid Barcelona Bayern Munich struggle to beat him friend Atletico Madrid in the Champions League by 4 goals now what team ya dia nko beat me ato aso sa but kin ono so call na okosia Tottenham Hotspur no in the round of 16 no Tottenham Hotspur so yi ni free oh decent squad and last minute you know Bayern Munich so ba beje ni gimi free nsem a decent squad and our back offer Roman Becky da pool ma see still have Lucas Piszczek on the right or Abrante Fedem Matamos our fan from Bayern Munich Edina Babeshem a World Cup winner Champions League in the World Finals by one team ande Manuel Akanji is still available or Julian Weigl who had been at Dortmund for years or Abrante Fedem Alzo Wessel Torgan Hazard is on the left Jadon Sancho on the right they have the proper number 10 in Marco Reus and who Paco Akansa. Obechese or say back to New Camper. Obetimi aba baby. Omo decent squad. But I totally agree with you. So almost the na Inter Manchester City the na sorry. Yem pass ni Yes your opponent here. Senke e be manage game ni na the dry results. E dey move forward no. Ken na dey the but so what your team na ken. Team are based on talent. Teams are based on quality. Ya na edin so obo so that team no manage games. Ya na edin so obo so that teams no ken omu defend. Mostly team that defense so deep no a team that have less quality in terms of technique. Inti e no na ama Dortmund team na yes but yeah share how almost started the Bundesliga no on a very bright note no coach I felt Lucien Favre mistake occurred in the last time no ken on to asosa no betin asesa niemum for Borussia Dortmund in that group ken I feel it is a group of death and people should watch out for them. Real Madrid PSG, that group. Ken, so what should PSG so on? Ye be kama so omunya kesefo ne ba ko group mu. So what should ye na Barcelona dey Champions League na omuni PSG na group mu. Say ya maka last time say time Liverpool dey Champions League we wonder no omuni PSG na group mu. So what Real Madrid again. They were in the group and Madrid they show omu 1-0. Ko ball 0-0. E wo Parc des Princes. Na Madrid nso wo omu group mu. So hwe baby a your Champions League no the deep midfield and over the years what criticize or ma say or they need a holder a proper one or they are who they bebe mfimfi ho
I feel I'm a customer friend
sir
it is a kind of guy so when prank I'm a customer friend
oh okay it can so what show omu team now the Champions League is played in midfield Barcelona lose the midfield battle no e wo New Camp Ekolusu midfield battle no e wa Anfield no ke ye J4 he were eliminated into PSG so who say but be also almost fix the holes omo betimi dia compete no Juve so who the same thing and the king Juve who say ye omo ko FIFA bless ma to the ne sa embre cham kokoko Champions League memfa into they need an experience and a bit of quality omo so betimi asese omo kura ball no with that dominance and retention play in midfield into omo so asese omo play him the same thing as your PSG. So the under Herrera or the Pablo Sarabia or the Drissa Gana Geba second at least who cover me no so who decided say Abrante Efeno Drissa Gana Ge kura ma na ke who under Herrera as number 6 can you have a proper number 6 who would you o mu so betimi akura mfimfini nim di ama
it team
okay o mu team na
me no mo pay for na ka me yire o mama na ka me yire ne mama na tra so on come here
na nka obo one season pack ho
so obo one season ka
Omo.
the here say sa players am abo mo di no mpra
no obo mpa so obo fit
because obo Barcelona na Real Madrid and for no mo me for the some omo woni nyina no obo Herrera Idris Agana guy no obo mo ko party sa di yo mo ne we mo ntini omo
Edru.
Idris Agana guy ono nka so obo
De bia
but I want
say
to ka wo tu again no oh
Odi
wo dey say o pa mo nya botre no de omo ne omo me pesa ke say so mo
Omo ya duru abeka so mo.
na ka dia ba say do be no mo de ba ko reference
Yeah.
Marquinhos você say number 6 we that's is we dey from Thomas on na ebo come at that time okay ye ko bo ho no on na dey correct team no but on say bo na sese ntu ntimi mo sa defensive obi o defender na dey na ba be defenders na nim team be na o team action
the team will lack balance and can clearly
So-
I totally agree with you say
Mr. Omobo under Herrera, Idris Agana guy, Marco Verratti. No more year kwana so mama na nko no so empira. Amako semi final. Ade no more like we games na no but game be na no mo shego.
Omo first way so me share Madrid.
Games ni no mo shego goals. And na again almost say keeper. So no money keeper, only
I
go
never
because you dem need nyam men no kan ni.
This unfair.
Aye dim pa na nkofo de chiche brochi. Sponsor and really onya de enchen for the sana. Oh yes, I'm telling you.
a different platform
I need to make us a platform no be aye dey.
I want to limit ni alawa
They may tell her.
limit ni alawa limit ni alawa ewo the same tournament but can check
China
it
na ko.
limit ni
Brony
alawa
no, so Brony.
can
No, we
ya
say
o
that.
for masa okay
Ese po akra mate ni.
Poba meet ni alawa it can so we check it I totally agree with you say
Hey, your time naso, your time naso.
Okay, that's- can na ta se min kan se bia
Andy,
okay na se da mi de on ha mi kasa o oh
Andy, your time naso.
can
So what am make me ma? Okay, so Andy kasa me for manu tu.
so there is a can obet me abuta question
So when some now kofa ba. Oh, na makabi. E kan ya na ta na pam. See you very sure. Na brother dam Andy, ye mi onum be mo ha ye disabled for no. Ye be mo so many bi na ye me ma di ko ba ko ye ni. And then some we ran so mo prepare.
na na ha de mo ha de
Who the few ba unya hu ana mo pay for mo di omo anim so na to na bia na mo wa kaka o
Omo de on benyo go mbo.
kan Ghana ha no asem nyina ne se blaster no obi adi nya sika nti eno na eba obi adi na ni di akiri eye no a eno na eba obi adi na ni di akiri
Ya so ken ya so media na yeso ye kan.
na se media na yenso ye no
Yeah,
ye neska blaster ni neska
Blaster sembra ha sisi aken. Ye nyina.
maso de make no nte
Ese ya so ye ni hwe.
so the blasters na you obi as
Ese ya so ye ni hwe ada ere. Okay, and you want the American.
oh make ya
I say America ya two all African games. Do we talk ye nyina buy and discuss it? Do we? Meanwhile, we are winning gold medal. We are African champion. Obi called Bob Boxing, we are world champion. Yenka. Then it be a Black Stars or more Bob Trocan. It's a Black Stars from boy so then. Well, we can't want to say. But other parts, yes, football they big, they understand. But how come we America? Or big J where Tyson game Mojia, the same as America why? It's blame their king, yingina, and I bind so after or the yes I did. It's a say, yeah, you see, blast at the end of so I can't mean so ultimacy. If you on the come the bobo be wa ha, e be a 1 week on be the ania can it too. What I say? Na yes, I'm until I'm show up because okay, oh, we just be a
make catch him say Australia as blasters match na do. No on the come say kan yen central for Kurman. I was saying ya be man na me say. O say go for better some band but can central for yen ka say match na nyama.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Yes, nice.
More than nyama.
Yeah. Oh, but okay, the Yankas of Blasters or match next month, and yeah, you best at
some American match own ti o me say kan blaster the politicians in Jessica and centrifugal Jessica nti e bad dia o in full force we mu aye kan mo mpani for kram ye so ti bisa obi akra nka o nti kan enya de so obi a de sa ne ma ne be ro nti e no na ma situation akwa bi
Na me adema aye Sunday ye nua a free and ye nua ba Matilda almost so worry a free okay o and Matilda so e wo on social club okay na me adema aye Sunday nti yenu no no so already nti yenu just empa nti yenu aba aye motoda we are free afia oba the sense ba na was why
so we don't want you
fira nwamo ni mu na ye pa
fira nwamo no ma o wa ya ta di nwamo
da bi so wale ya nwamo
o wa ya
na
why
ko
see
ko
the wire
wale
she be omudi jollof
you mu go ma ya nwamo asem na
ken asem ha onza wale yo mu different ni be 10 ye obi o ha o sorry ya wale tu asa
nti afie ene motoda ngami atma aye Sunday okay Mausa nana kotoko okay nana kotoko na for no ni ya no okay no your face but osafo bre dey na ko
kene some ho pa na you be room ye kama na you be sha self free players are you did pa say commercial something ko be dey mu kwan because bless no town no motor no more contract e be wu November December no ball no nya bimbo no say hu say omra so say ye ja okwan 3 players there ye sack 3 players ndi kwa boy Prince Akwa and Muntari Tegu omode just before some other so many say omoko but yentie chairman K5 for the same be atuja say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Ekuo no against House of Folk no kono kwa campaign for entwin ensense kakra but ogidi ye pa say o hwe players Kotoko wo na o hwe players has wo ba head to head has omo main Kotoko in terms of players yenti openya your friend no chairman K5 yenti ensama openya no and so edia to the yenti on Ashgold gamer baso sadio say Ashgold here we are chile cry o my team o munya e configuration say e fala team be a team be cry King Fraser mo na liberty mo cry choma o betumi ashop yenti openya for the chairman K5
Ghana had two dear no bit your job. I will correct. As good, the Moncasa, because we have a good visit. Team will free one, one be drawn of and a panel, you ran out the number. Would you have brought a chocolate? That will come to let betting out to one easy. Mother, I said, to go Timo, share. Media catcher supporters to this match and the women. Now, friendly matches away and media. Because that's good on budget. And penny for chance to see any happy months or almost a budget. And some are trying to get a help on my body. You don't quite the more beer, money move.
We and some chairman K5 82 giant on Kumasi Asante Kotoko almost players our more ne House of Folk gamer ever so consider by in our watch.
We will be out on the lock. And we'll be out so what's that now show lock at a double. Football, no, you're born training, you're technical, and you're playing body in the bay. I had the entire body, and lock in your training and maybe on family players. Then you always a football. A good idea. Player, you are very good. Yes, that's a ball. I fight with no crap. Silver Sport. More than which about the ball. You can't go player in a free. Oh, and so Australian player will be to say just as good. After your book, I will take the control of play. I will take the control of play. Star players no ko jana 2 minutes opra. And yes, we are Jumano. I quite have a so bomb fire man and say pra.
Okay, Chairman K5 and so no, but last one by Tintina with your phone, you run some more and Chairman, what he got on house, no more mosaic, I ain't too share a double phone. Oh, no, we are.
Your Canadian and Katisa. Yes, supporters, dear sorry, into your friend, and I make us the Omo Cannon, Shumasa, and a person. When we are management, are judging on the ball matching. And to be near Misha and penning for nothing, you know what can because the supporters near Canada. You know, Ghana, you mean Kotokoni has match. Despite a trial, this I have match in the top. Kotokoni has match the anywhere, Massa, and the top. Silver. And 2 boy, na which ukushia twadi sahema yen support and the audience company focus on the maya keye ba no pay me nya answer George said no so see training the no dintini training already so there enti the maka che na say the omo be ya maya ya ho beto ya bia no omo nyen famayen adia management be ya bia no ye be support you sports so mbe me dia ko next week fine omo ka say ye mo nso a ye be bo.
Okay, I know you obey your friend, Chairman K5. Obey, Chairman K5 is saying we are together with the players as well. Come on, say something for the call. Every job more point. Say players no. Yeah, to go no. Let you jump up. Since I team.
Very, very interesting. As happened. I'm in charge big shit. You will be.
Oh, go father. Go father.
And it's Sophie.
And then make call all night.
Oh, Friday.
Victory Baptist Church. I will take call. Yeah. Every Friday be all night possible. And then we will live.
Sophie Madu see from one of our godfathers. Spiritual fathers.
Asafo Momo, I have to organize a Kotone as good game. Or maybe a serious one. Among organize how much?
BK is it BK do say
Foundation, I'm going to be serious one seat. When ya Kotokone as good. After say as good
publicity
Asafo do what is a Kotokone as good your body.
I be a yes and journey there.
No, you say Joe Sadia na bo say be coaster na media star no as a media no door so cra chain. Supporters ni bi no. Well some part no enya fool. I don't get it. On my announcement no Sunday was stadium. Since then, e don't do me has and then as on the or chance Saturday a bomb match no Sunday.
Yeah.
The last time I called President Kofoka.
Yeah.
So, publicity and the promo ahead of that particular game about. Never compare. And you same two teams never. Yeah. This time around, both clubs are even appealing than that time.
Where we are qualified to the next stage of the Champions League. Ashgood in so qualified.
Yes, just a week ago, last week, Yana, Ashgood, I'm going to agree for Ashom. And I could go to Kanu Pillars Ashom. Ashgood no Kotoko edge at the cap. The last time no be at the cap. President Kofor cap. My cap be anywhere has sorry, Kotoko Aja and Ashgood at it. But this time on, tier 1 champions, tier 2 champions. I'm going to represent Ghana Africa. Player for player. Kotoko Yezu, former Ashgood coach. Factors to promote this game were boom. What's your mother?
I agree with you.
I think that sometimes no square pegs in round holes no dorsal. Yeah, the human money pebia and same fact. You can be an organizer. There are so many aspects of organizing a game. But me, you know. But the this is but the family mom bet me I am a scammer.
Okay.
Because our organizing match I said penny be and munyam. You could Drew Park and so not to say. You know, why empty. You waste of time. And munyam se papa ben. For so piamaso. So the publicity of the game, match in the Sunday.
Yeah, next Friday.
Next Friday.
Saturday or Chinapene Denton.
Or Chinapene Kwana bit now. Let's not forget say Europe matches so who. There'll be discussions like that. Local blasters so prepared. Also crowd same away and so between kakra. So you have to seize the airways. But mother, you don't see anything. And once a match winner and your Kotokone has good now organizing, Team Pennyphone they can decide to sit back. No more organizers, my majuma. Yeah, so if you don't get them involved and appoint the right people to do the publicity, Bakodru Park was now empty. I think, sir, in recent times, match back why organizing a pool in terms of promotion and that match. Poorly pass it, you organize a match near promo. You said I need you poor about occupy the embassy. And I'm so disappointed. Because match be BS and Kema Stadium in Pabo. Because Kotkona 5.9 billion. Senka match went to me and Fam Bakura. It should be somewhere around 2-3 billion. But the Akika pay 500 million for Hamunya. What are you and I here? Gate position question.
I'm saying, is it 10, 15, 20?
What's Kotokone as good? Airbot Africa. Omo ye audio promo. And omo ye video promo.
Yeah.
Match here, but what your audio promo be? Massa. I'm on your massa. What's me yan what na bed? And be wasting time. Because papa pen you say. Now find the dean tomatoes. So near about Trana Stadium where empty. And Sam William be If it was an ordinary friendly game, Kotoko has go the bar, fine. But in honor of opinion, dear, we must say people at the stadium and then they show respect. No, Kotoko empty the idea saying Banke. People must be serious in this country. Now to Chairman K5 and 7, and then that must so couldn't do Nanka, maybe I can't say, but I think say, yeah, the coach now. Was a no first team and never local blast person. Ne Benjamin the Futuni Mohammed last and never 4 and 5. A Brad Jotifi. Benjamin the Futu was 6. Coach in the Kobo 5 and Ra. A Brad Jotifi. So afraid you but still you come once. Because yeah, must work only 2 times were failing. 2 times were failing. To wait yeah, my name is Simi. Okay. I'm watching a baby. But to the Chairman K5 Mr. Chairman K5 as a kaka. We always call say class no should be sharp. But sometimes we bet me a sharp now. Okay. Once I was sister can one. I say we bet me a sharp as I won't say. What's ya na honabu? It is a sharp idea, you must get it right. We are calling say Kotoko before so about 2 matches a best screening. A best exposing a bet me a buana mat coach na shen by exposing baby Bruce one hand and answer. The House of Folk game don't carry so much fear factor, but a bit by the distraction point for Kotoko. Yeah. Kotoko bit me a go Sunday. Confidence because of morale because no Abeshia has not has a doom jam. Against a tour, it will affect the confidence of the player, the confidence of the fans. And even team Nankasa proper understanding. And and no, they must get it right. Okay. Because we put trust in. Pick Kotoko enhanced matches. National club will be loose. How long they take it and some will bounce back? Unless they won't even has no Kotoko.
Okay, Robert.
My more example. How's the folk best Kotoko has 1-0 Patrick Rasa. Kotoko next game will lose 3-1 against Karela. Oh, and go and pick House of Folk. After Kotoko show mo Tabia 2. Ever have. Who will be House of Folk no call. They didn't even have the confidence to play your training grass at 11 pool. Okay, over that's it. So they must be careful. Okay. That's what I would say.
Has and Kotoko should be careful. Kotoko should be careful.
Africa. Has
no notify. Okay, Maxwell, remember, but you're live on Facebook as also, and I'll call a YouTuber show no aquaria. I'll be your privilege na share the whole show on YouTube. Maxwell, remember me.
Yeah. Heart in Kotoko here. Kotoko. Now almost have bonny.
Okay.
What's that? The intent say Nipa say Udru baby now one take a risk in life, you don't move forward. Now Okoya this now start to say, hey, now we here at the year we are there, the near mark of a man. Silver sports. And so we heard Tamana, your friend saying, Bafo Dikotoko, and then I mean you'll be nam here by no bombing come on. That attitude was not there. The attitude was men winning, and they will do everything to win. 10 years na Kotoko nje leg that. Tina said no, the air course yes, I can stay there. To whatever it takes, I'll go and bring him. And when he took that decision, people even on one man members maybe no, they were criticizing it, not to know how to do it. But who said no, I didn't know in a babuano. They paid. Taylor by what happened. That would be idea anymore, would be dominate. This is the attitude. In any case, Kotoko has a Kotoko today. Is it the last time? No. ABC that. Hey, normal has me Kotoko be at me, normal. Because for one, and when I make Jia, I didn't want to be obedient and catch her. And then the time I got a ball leg and a leg in the gymnasium. Your clubs no Africa, no disaster. By a giant leg, by a leg in a mono, our clubs are doing well. Why? It means that leg in a bonnet fake. The leg in a bonnet fake. I just say, you be we need your beco. Yes, she said that. It is the see as how much is well the cover bonnet fake in the Bebwakotoko. Believe so, what's myself?
To prepare well for.
Yeah, to prepare well. Yes, but what is the point that going to me, Heart? Heart can also be much as here boy in nobody know what the outcome is good. Even as gold crown, they can also beat Kotoko. Kotoko can beat them. Make me so what's here. At one to me, Kotoko. And see. I am my member for na menga but American say a bad thing say to us say now Africa crown here born
but on the chairman K5 you again say players
how many times was the team here away
or see hey Kotoko players so only chairman K5 here
so for players the obia will be me what I say because only team here complete because Kotoko say clearly o kasa midfield no baby has good advantage over Kotoko.
Oh okay.
Yes, in the midfield play.
Okay.
Because Kotoko midfield nan kasa pa titi ha. Problem or okay. Because my number 8 a series of a problem.
But Jordan will be available.
Yes, of course. It's yet
how will be available.
Yes, but say oh share compatibility as a team.
Okay.
How they play togetherness and how they move up. As good bit. It is not a better than Kotoko, but in the midfield they're slightly they are ahead
of Kotoko.
Because they are togetherness and all that. Yes. It is yeah here say Kotoko shares good. Na Kotoko share hearts of Foka. Uvi say to a match in a stadium one kwanta obenye biatina. It is say oh sorry.
Okay.
Meaning so what they are making as here. Yes, and because game ning na dey mete we must have game the most dangerous. Yeah. Because we have results are say nyawa ha. We have history. And because on the day ne enquire one-sided fans, bebe Hearts and Kotoko fans on the ground. It's you can't intimidate them. It is a house to be said Kotoko to me say Hearts or Hazwa. And there are a lot of benefits ebeba. It's whatever it is, na I said team they take risk. But finally they are so for game there, it depends on your obe hype and any the hour they turn in my game here. So for minim so the yard here. In recent time, my Siabon in our Kotoko ni as good president before capping and any papa. And I me boy. And send a dia me sa Nigeria day. I say no Nigeria day aba. But it was as good and Kotoko. But because of the name that's all. And what the name stands for no. That day from 19 year it was a game crab by Momokasa I had the crab and sang it. Yemobiem. Meaning so what I say. It's anything be said way anyway, but Ning how a be promo any dia Udijina Sweden and the promo. Mimi feel so fast I game ni there. No, Biasu was waiting for yet another one. Okay. And as other one number. And as see aba. It's a nibra two teams di be no. A big. Okay. It's a mene obedia and say promo heading. A cost related to me, but hard game ni there. Because every house of her that's why I said go Africa. But I can tell you it's going to go team away. Every going to support a house who names that.
Oh yeah.
And every house supporter so cares on never be destroyed team with. It is stage in the cry okay.
And I Maxwell Nana Esen Ali.
Well, for the squad there, I think it's debatable.
Kotoko has and say,
oh, there. I don't. I can't say football now. Born it is played in Obuasi and Kumasi.
Okay.
When no be a cover by a sports stadium, Pia who did as a man can
difference.
Oh, who you see for an Abila now, who Imano Jam from ball and no more born and runner. Who say clearly players are
born your ball Kumasi and Boas.
It's a say yes, and I other players or more free other teams, no. Obi a fantastic player. Obi they say Fatah Mohammed of super player. But no, now me Fatah who say lack fitness. Man football no not clearly who said those players no lack fitness. But who players are more consistent in recent time because of the African are clearly. Who said those players are fully fit and clearly. Born now more born in a team and not Justice Blay. Oh, James are coming who say Bob and who's them boy. The fitness level of that those teams and other players no I'm as two teams in upper hand as compared to the others. As good and Kotoko in terms of quality and squad size in Ghana now there. More much say almost two teams no almost look at other teams. Now to has to folk match and onka yin to each down I say I don't man so share Kotoko must from the positive way. And that is where we be free the negative way. Since match be anywhere, at least Kotoko against the Tuade, you need a perfect time to prepare and prepare so well. Because a Tua match in a match Cassia, we can one say it is the biggest of all. And on the super, it's enough preparation, enough training sessions, players who are fully fit and well conditioned. Players are mentally tough for that particular game. But games in so and so your games are a bit on the way. Obet him the promo to that particular game now, person as good. Muscle car said the last time about President Kofo Cup no. Such the level of play and quality in standard almost at yeah. Who say two teams in more than one was so. No supported Bibi Bar Stadium. How to folk in a Kotoko is always big. In here, she. But I remember reason tia me say Kotoko mo sa ma ati na me German K5 for na again no. And say no ka Kotoko asema Kotoko about 36 players. Omo gusu we sign. Nko 40 salary pa. Ado, among 40 salary omo mobo. This is the right time for those players to coach decided say all started with the first team players. Players omo bench omo to di akatua omo mobo no. This is the right time for those players to shine. This is the right time for those players to glitter. Intiado. Se no we cut ene Kotoko goalkeepers in kwan mako say 5. Inti fellas in kwan ene go. No mo maka no nya akatua. Inti so wo tie na wo di akatua mentality go no. Di akatua omo di paid. Inti they need to work. Sabi wo nya body bia na match sama amu ana bia obeda hu se o to ye keeper Kotoko. Inti me yeni Kotoko first team in Sinchan. Adu tie line up we. So wo bo Ose Kwame impose and Ase Kwame Ban impose. Augustine Tifas number 2. Ivan Towusu as number 3. Stephen Ayiku and Samuel Ibrahim 4 and 5. Samuel they say Habibu ne Ajimabadu ono makofana ba. Omkofana ba so me ne bo no ba so me bo. Into aba dey no so he needs to play. Obo Anodidi and Jordan Opoku 6 and 8. Godfrey de Siama.
Augustine Okro.
Minyan ho krom dia me mfa omoma. Omomo fitness level no makase wo fem. Martin Entry. Now Bona Biketa any abega ado. Omkofa abega $25,000 mba so me dey. Obo no omna mebo. Nti je tun so betra me. This team can play with any team. Augustine se volunteer recently no na aboko tokotu a. Even to utu no no anebo. Makase Samado omkofa na ba so me dey. Kwame buy the goalkeeper for the Black Meteors.
Ya wa non so training.
I don't so on your nyansa nti me pese me kana se make Samuel de wasan mo bia and obi a watena coach ka mu di aba park de na chese inipa no obi osombo nti so wo hwe this particular team amaye ya they are Kotoko players ebi mu di akati aba asma be dem yomu ni Kotoko ombo body omo so opportunity also coach de mo omo eniko ase ya ne blaster de ndi friendly match kura retiro phone friendly match kura John Boy Dabi
template da ho
template Dabi. The coach needs to work on those players. They are paid.
Okay.
Into me, smart and they say. So far as a Kotoko about 36 players, no. So all form 3 teams from the 36. Ubenya 11 Kwame and Sa. Ebeka ni Pami and Sasa will tell it. Those players need to play. And I feel that they have the quality to play. And yes, sir. Almost the team ni mukwa almost jacket to omunya edumabia. And an ubo team nekwa. In Chairman K5. So what can the squad size? No what can quality we said the Chairman K5 is na. Obi no hu se na ni age papa chama sa players wo mu de ni kwa se Kotoko de omu si etu omu ka omu mra medina park no so no omu compete against Atofo and I feel say no ni adwuma e wo se ko Zacharias
okay ane and kam yani amputi fo abetwetwe nkomo kakra Yashmi awa ha so folk team no almost mo ehihye ni esiesie team no kama but yani amputi fo na be edi nkomo na echemine Yashmi awa 1-on-1 Yashmi de minute ni sia ensem bebre yaba amputi footballer oma ate asanteman nim papa esense na no omo etumi ko ball tournament wi a amputi football no mutumi eje tournament no open bibi abokore na ya froze
efen ko le janfi
u bobo ni bi won na open ya froze
acho ya frame Bawa Sambia captain of Asanteman amputi.
Oh nice. On to be we ni bi we action ni bi na tournament net say
oh so far so good na bi e kama aja o ma hu de so onu tua se we bibi kwa na aja kan ya shentino ye bibi akona se it me ma out okay yes ya kokwa no kakra no ni mo den de yes we me ni
yes mo ba be ye event bi after mokoje this tournament no nema be na mo ba be ye na manfo nso emua bi a mo pesa manfo e de bo mo na mo event na say emre bi be ba mo ba be ko tournament bi a mo be na mo hia one way or the other e betumi abo na mo nso mo event na say tournament mo be ko akobo no etumi be ye kra be
edwan Silver Sports sero kan sarati edin ka weda ma se ni ala boss players wa se e wo konya mo de mai Yakobo ya adma that 31st ena Asante region ye team no yo two teams wa Kumapem ena Asante Man.
Okay.
Yakobo ya adma o chamba ba belanchi since last year na koje trophy no. Aja academy ya fight bia say aja ke be ko kum panyifo na ka yenso modern mo a se na ba kura
na mo kwa response na te say mo campaign for no say bia mpese mo yibisa response na sign it
let us know the yakopa e ko moje
mo ye follow up
ya te be femensa kan especially minister ne keme boss ne se be ahemfo no bia ye na kura say no na ni be je say ko e bi bisa ko chia no na so so se be ya o be enter no full up the baby let us dey akwa so still bibia to miss
into chande den na mo ye honia
yakopo ya mo china no ya ibati point for kakra se o ma na yensu so no jumadi a yensu edima Asanteman se dem di4 na se amputi ye atwa na ne yensa na ye bobo no yensu kunudi bia dia kwa ble Asanteman nti ye ba ja yensu be ka kwa ya faso a ye tu ya na mo ewo akansi enum obu okwa ya kan amputi nkura onim se dia amputi sikire ene bi kura ball no kwa no
onim kwa mo faso ball
o hu bi kura da nti oba ball se be de ye bebo match ho ye ne ye kolis bi wa kra ye teams ne bi amu akra ye no ye ba to ma ye no me bo friendly match ewo jumadi na se ama obi a on fa ni hu amputi da no won so hu de wi a ye ka sa amputi no obi a na ba kwa twa a odi kura project e bobo na obi a on so ne saba kwa twa na
oda go post
a oda post edmo I think say we bebe because
my coach Sierra Leone many amputi team no first time e ko je trophy no mi ko bi
na am go kin
nice one
and you know amputi de say me say ka say na me me wa sa and you know ya me admo na ochina no mom hu da no o mra me say de yesi faso e bobo no sometimes kwa ye training e wo ba be dwumadi ya social club na obi kure twoma o timbe jino na ba bi ko na why dey oje akọ because o hwa na ni agene no wa to obi jino me ye pon training class mo my dey o mako tia kuko ya no dey that chana no obi akọ akakra won bia no o mbra na o me o fa na ho den e chechiri se oni bi ya kwa na wo de obi jino be hwe bia na so so after program na ye no amanfo so abakese amomani ajenwa efu se bia na se bia bibia nko ya chene bi no e ni pa no oba bi ko yi
na program mo ye wo hi
na ko pa ma no social club St. Louis wo opposite Kwame Nfi
okay
to one a program no
okay
me no channel pa 9
anopa 9
ya say
okay ya ba beta no chi oni a so fa kakra so na ye nyam kwan
say Asanteman amputi ye ba ya che ya hye dem so ache e kina de ye sra Asanteman obia meta ya chi na kakra kura owo no onfanta ya chi na Bible kura kan wo che ye hwe wo che bibi kura na won say no aha because obi enai mienu nyina wo ho sresra de obi nai baako e wo ho no so won sra de no de be bola eno so ya nika wo hwe me bra ya wo kasa ya wo take notice say wa tra take be 4 years e ho no born career wo ko hwe take super league na o baga na agro ni yedie aha wo ko hwe o mo bola o mo hwe ball kura che ebu for ball
okay
enti Mr. Asanteman ya G cap na e pese ya defend cap ne de Asanteman ta ya chi no mo moye na ye be fundraising na ye de aboa ko no ye international matches ebo friendly matches bo ni nyina nso ye sika ye ni sponsor ba kokura enti Mr. Asanteman o mo moye na ye ntimi enko ye nim ene ye wo mobile money number
fa na money to
me pese me de betu ga kakra bia obia no on fan support e 0241 90 99 40
some repeat me
0241 90 99 40
okay ya da mase papa ochira meko ba bi ba mebo modi an say metuma bana mama be support na dwumadi no etumi aye krabe ya da mase pa say
ni be jon pa say chira ibu ni ma
meba why meko be ba be mail late kakraba mebo modi an say meba be fa why okay ya nanu amputi so e da china omo ye bibi fefe ewo St. Louis aha school mo ho mo yenko na kojo mo say 9 am we gan we abrofo 9 nya gan 4 9 sharp man mama asase ya sweet bokore aha komo be na on house mo bobo
ai bobo mundo ma mcham papa papa o mu ga has mu director sa so no former chapter 9 chairman no be has board member me channel bi na friend na chairman bi master Alex ye nua bi so wa dum voda for no wotie e friend no amwa abedi amwa house of folk china bobo friend match ye ne Inter Milas ye no bobo friend match e pop my
Inter Milas and I say
Inter Milas we dey no Inter Milas say
then division
we are second division
2
division 2 Inter Milas we show mo players no money ball papa
division 2 players no money ball
papa nya some get Inter Milas we dey say that nye design ko na ngui ni kwa house of folk nyame adma Sunday by the week ye no kotoko ti nse kotoko fo no ko ba bi ma e kire o mo se kotoko house match na to match de no mu yi o jira ho saba akosi house de no e na akosi da bi ntie lu so to so da bi se house fa ba se de
I fa no mo ko
I'm sure
I fa no mo ko
amuko ba we say
baby ben
me obi to house Jesse ana me de command pakro ni ohun tire nkwa no so no me de bi ohun
tire nkwa no so asa
ana ohun mi o me kita house Jesse no o say na match no bo so we ko extra na so da bi ayo bi Jesse chenchena a wodi machi say me ko extra ana me bi Jesse ma asa na o ye anso na o say amukro ba bi amukro free ba bi na ba na amukro na omu mu chemienu aba ko so mu ntu so house ma ba ko ba omu ya 5-3 na sidabi omu mbo house ma omu win house ma no mu lose to a nti we na tese omoni abre nti house ni a ma woni ko ma te no ana de to so no your place no mo local blaster no se ma te se ma so ko ndu ayi bi afrim ba fra ko dokofo no wo yi house de na afrim so wo yi on opade a onya omu nyina akwan because we asa start wo yi fra 5 wo ji wa fra house players you see a was I say ayi bi frim wo de ko de ka ho so we ko de ko ba sa bo woni bo kina fo no bo nti sa ni mana wa ye ne ya adwene ana nyame ya do house of folk RCC no kira no pa na ye me we miti e wo chapter na asem dem ho no chapter na ba bi miti no ana wi so anwumre chapter na asem miti match ye ni abre pa ye mfa ni agro kwa wo he chaban K5 wo se sese kotoko wo tim si obia ye ne mo ne ye ne mbobo mo sa wo sa se enka banya fa postpone obia wo tim so wo sa se ye postpone ana mo my boy so what was it kotoko tim si obia kotoko na yese eh bobo match amose mu ye postpone it means musuro no so nti match no ye de Sunday week amose ye frɛ no house na for match ye de ato ne di house na for match amose ye na for so ye ba boss ye nye ne omdo 5 so de aye to aye training kwa to ano omo record okrom ha omba ha mo se ne ma papa so Kofi Koja ebe ye yiwa ana ye no mo so mre bi minisha wonu nshamo akwa ye commentary bi eme ho ba asem nya nkofo no strike ye friend Obiako onya Obiako watu me Obiako nkwa ba ye no
okay o time na so ye bie lines no with my friend na wache wadwen na ma ene ye de efa course no mo fan tie for ye other line no ye nya technical hitches binti free 0243 977-188 0243 977-188 0243 977-188